Hello everyone. Good afternoon all of you. My name is Tazib sir and today we are going to learn a new topic. So students, we started before our sessions. Let's see here today's quote. So now students we move on good quote. So students let's see here the today's quote. So today's quote is on the education. Today's quote is on the education. So now let's see here the education is not the learning of facts but the training of the mind to think. What? Education is not the learning of facts. Education is not a learning. We are learning daily we are learning new things of facts, but the training of mind to think. Which training of mind to think means development of mind. Education is what? Development of mind. Got my points? And this quote is given by famous scientist, a great scientist, Albert Einstein. Understood? So now we move on. Let's further. So students, what we have done in our previous sessions, what we have done in a previous lecture, I hope you all are know what we have done in a last sessions. So first of all, what we have done, revision of exercise number 3C, question number 2. What? Question number 2, exercise number 3C, question number 2, subtraction the following, checking subtraction with addition and example. Okay, so yesterday we have done the students exercise number 3C full, question number 1 and 2, and as per I told you yesterday, so students question number 3 and 4 we are not performing. Again I am telling you question number 3 and question number 4 we are not performing our fair book. So that's why only we are done here the question, we are doing here the question number 1 and question number 2. Then after we started a new topic. Which topic? What the name of this topic? Checking subtraction with addition and its example. What? Checking a subtraction with addition and its example. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Then now further, today what we are going to learn. So today we are going to learn, all students, revision of last sessions. Every day we are a revision of last sessions. Understood? Because of we have remember in our mind, keep it in mind. That's why always first of all starting our sessions, before starting new topic or any new exercise, so first of all we revise shortly, we revise our last session or previous session. Understood? Then after subtracting bigger number. What? Now today we are going to learn subtracting bigger number. It means what? There 4-digit subtraction. How many digits is there? 4-digit subtraction. Then after further we are going to learn exercise number 3E. Yesterday we have done 3rd C and then 3rd C. Okay, and exercise number 3D we are not doing in our session or fair book also. Okay, directly we are move exercise number 3rd C to 3rd E because of we are not doing the exercise number 3rd D. That's why. Understood? Got my point, all students? Then after question number 1. Question number 1 is what? Subtract. Question number 1 is what? Subtract is question number 1. So now let's see here the our tomorrow's means yesterday's previous lectures. Okay, so here students, checking a subtraction with addition. What we have done in last sessions? Checking subtraction with addition. So now let's check here the what? Checking subtraction with addition. So we are this topic learning by one example. So yesterday already we are done this example or topic, but again today what we are, why we are doing, all students? Because of again we are do here the revision. That's why I am taking here. Okay, so now let's starting here. Jayanti has a very clever way of checking her subtractions. Okay, Jayanti, it's the name of girl, and she is a very clever way of checking. She is a very clever of checking her subtraction. She uses addition. She puts back the number she took away. If she gets the number the started with. Okay, I hope you understood. And again, I am reading here. Jayanti has a very clever way of checking her subtractions. Means Jayanti is a girl. She has a very clever way of checking her subtraction. She uses addition. She puts back the number she took away to see if she gets the number the started with. Okay, so now with number, and how can we know this all things? How can we know the all points? By the example. So now let's check here by example. We are learning here by example. So 724 minus 412. Okay, this both sum we are checking by the addition. Okay, this both sum means first sum is subtraction. In first sum, subtraction sum is checking by our method of addition. Okay, topic name is what, all students? Checking a subtraction with addition. Understood? So question is what? 724 minus 420, sorry, 412. 724 minus 412. Okay, so now we are doing what we are doing, all students? Solve the sum. So 4 minus 2, this 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, so how many, all students? 2. Understood? So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and 7 minus 4, do with your finger, all students. Okay, so 7 minus 4, so how many, all students? 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So answer is what, all students? 312. What? Answer is what? 312. So now our answer, direct our answer we put on our next addition sum. Okay, this 312 we put on this further row. So 312 plus 412. So 2 plus 2, how many? 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 4, 7. So answer is what coming, all students? 724. What? 724 is our answer. I hope you all are understood. How can we know the? Okay, now what we are doing here? We are doing here the checking subtraction with addition. So first of all, subtraction this. Okay, how can we check? So first of all, we write this information on as here in box. 312. Okay, we write, so I'm writing here 3, 1 and 2. Then after put the plus symbol. Then after further I'm writing here this digit. Okay, this digit. We have write to only this information to checking the subtraction with addition. Got my point, all students? So first of all we write the 312, and then after we write this information 412, and first of all 312 and then 412 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, and 3 plus 4, 7. So now our answer is what? 724. Check by this question. Understood? As like that we are check our the sum. How can we do these things, all students? Anyhow we can first of all solve the subtraction, and then further this our answer, subtraction answer, write in first we write our answer, then after write a middle number, 3 number, and then our solve the question. And what is answer is coming? Okay, answer is coming, we are comparing with this 3 digit. Got my point, all students? Now we move on today's session. So today what we are going to learn, students? Today we are going to learn subtracting bigger number. What I am told you first, subtracting bigger number means how many number is there? there is a 4-digit number. How many? 4-digit number. So today we are starting here the subtracting bigger numbers. So students, here subtracting bigger number means how many numbers? Subtracting bigger number, it means a 4-digit subtraction number. Got my points? Understood all students? Subtracting bigger number, 4-digit subtracting number. So students, let's see here 4-digit subtracting number, and how can we solve? So now first of all, by example we are learning here. Subtracting bigger number. Subtracting bigger number is like subtracting 3-digit number. How many? 3-digit number. Subtracting 3-digit number. So here is an information, but the first of all we starting the information, we read only 2 sentences. Subtracting bigger number is like subtracting 3-digit number, okay, and then further we are checking this all details. So now let's see on the question. First example as like that. Example first is what? A website of maths. A website of maths. Any one website is of a maths was maths. A website of maths games was visited by 3,384 children in the month of the May. In which month all students? May. It was founded that 1,243 of these were boys. In month all students, how many children are visit the maths game website? 3,384 total children. In it was found that boys 1,243 of these were boys, and how many girls? How can we find? So now we are doing here the 4-digit subtraction. Got my point all students? So now let's see here the what? Subtracting bigger number is like a subtracting 3-digit number. Okay, like as like that. What is like that? As like subtracting 3-digit number. So in May visitor means in May month visitor. How many visitors? 1,243, and all 1,243 visitors are boys. Okay, and total visitors are 3,384. So we are minus to 3,384 minus 1,243. Okay, so we can find the girls. Okay, so girl, how many girls visitor on a May? Is this our question? How many were a girl? So now step by step we are going to through. Okay, and here 4 steps. How many steps are all students? Here 4 steps. So for step by step we are going to learn what to do about the subtracting bigger number. So step number 1. Step number 1 is what? Subtracting the 1. Subtract the ones means ones place here. This is 1 place, this 10 place, this 100 place, and this 1000 place. Got my point all students? What I am telling you, this third place, sorry, this is 1000 place, this 100, this 10s, and this ones. Understood all students? Step number 1, subtract the ones. 3,384. 3,384 minus 1,243 minus 1,243. 4 minus 3. How many students? 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so first of all what we are doing here, we are done here the subtraction, subtract the ones means here the place of ones we are done here. Got my point all students? We are done here the subtract the ones. Understood? Then after second step is what? Subtract the tens. First of all we have done the subtract the ones place, and then now we are going to move on tens place. So 8 minus 4. It means 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. So how many students? Do with your fingers. 8 minus 4. So 4 is our answer. So now answer is what here? 4 answer is, but which place is all students? 10 place. This 1 place, this 10 place, this 100 place, and this 1000 place. Understood all students? Got my points? 8 minus 4, it's step number 2. Subtract the tens, it's done. Now let's move on step number 3. Step number 3 is what all students? Subtract the hundreds. So first of all we done the place ones, tens and hundreds. So now we are, let's check here the hundreds. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, how many students? 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Got my point all students? Now last 1000 place. So now we check the step number 4. Subtract the 1000. Subtract the 1000. Now we are, let's check here the subtract the 1000. So let's see here the students subtract the 1000. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 8 minus 4, 4. This one's place, tens, 100 and 1000. So only we have left the 1000. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. How many? 2. So answer is what? 2141. What? Answer is what? 2141. So answer is 2141 is our answer. 2141 is our answer. So now answer is what coming all students? Answer is 2141. Girls visit the website. Got my points? They give the strength of the boys. Okay, how many strength of the boys? 1243, and there were 2141 is a girls visit the website. Understood? Got my point all students? Now students we are move on the new topics. Okay, move on the new topics which exercise number 3. First of all we are now learn the which topic? Subtracting the bigger number, and here is also basis of this topic, this exercise. Question number exercise number 3, question number 1, subtract. What all students? Question number 1, subtract, and exercise number 3. So students, today we are starting the new exercise, exercise number 3, question number 1, subtraction. So now let's see, start the exercise number 3, question number 1, and which question? Subtract. Okay, subtract the how many digits? 4 digits, bigger number. Okay, so that's why. So question number, let's see here the students, let's see here the question number 1. Question number 1 is what here? 8461. What? 8461. So let's see here the students, 8461 is our answer. So 8461 minus 2431. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, so 0. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, how many students? 3. 4 minus 4, 0, and 8 minus 2. Do with your finger. 8 minus 2 is equal to how many all students? 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Got my points? Again I am repeating you, 1 minus 1. Okay, we can take out from 1 to 1. So what is the answer? That okay, so 0. 6 minus 3, we can take out from 6 to 3. Yes, obviously we can take out from 6 to 3. So 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, so how many students? 3. Then after 4 minus 4, we can take out from 4 to 4. Yes, we can easily take out 4 to 4. So that's why 0. Then after 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, how many students? We can take out from 8 minus 8 to 2. Yes, we can take out from 8 to 2. So that's why 8 minus 2 is equal to how many? 6. The answer is what come all students? Answer is 6030. What? 6036 030 6030. As like that, question number 1 we are solving here. So students, let's start here the question number 2. Okay, before we starting, as like also, what? As like all sum we are doing in the question number 1. Exercise number 30, question number 1, subtraction. Today we are only learn the 4 question of question number 1 as like that all sum. But tomorrow we are going to learn further question. Okay, so now students, question number B. Question number B is what? Question number B is 4399. 4399 minus 1238. 4399 minus 1238. Okay, so now one by one we are place. First of all, this place is 9 and 8 all, so 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Understood all students? 1 place, again I am repeating you for you all students, 1 place this, 10 place and 100 place, this 1000 place. First of all, this 1000, 100 place and 10 place and 1 place. So we can take out from 9 to 8. Yes, we easily take out from 9 to 8. So 9 minus 8, how many students? 1. Then after 9 minus 3, do with your finger 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, how many all students? 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Got my point? Then after 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, so how many all students? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then further 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, so how many? 3. 4 minus 1, how many? 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, so answer is what students? 4399 minus 1238. So answer is 3161. 3161 is our answer. Again I am repeating you all students for you. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. See here. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. How many? 1. 9 minus 8. 1. And thus 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. So here students, 9 minus 3 is equal to how many? 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And then 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, we can take out from 3 to 3, 2 into 2. Understood? So answer is 1. Got my points? Then after further 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is how many? 3. So answer is again 3161 is our answer. 3161 is our answer. Understood all students? Now again we are now question number C. So we are move on question number C. Question number C is what all students? Question number C. First of all, we learn the question. Got my point all students? First of all, we learn the question. Okay. So 6857. How many here? 6857. 6857. 6857 minus 1555. What all students? Here question is how many digits? 4 digits, so a bigger number. So 6857 minus 1555. Again and again I am repeating you. Now here 7 and 5 is the place of ones. 5 and 5 here place of tens. 5 and 5 here place of tens. And then 8 and 5 here place of 100. And then 6 and 1 here, which place is here? Here 1000. First of all 1000, 100, tens and 1. So students, here is place of, which place is here all students? Here is place of 100 place. 6 and 1 is 100 place. 8 and 5, sorry, 6 and 1 not 100, 1000 place. Got? 6 and 1 is 1000 place. 8 and 5 100 place. And 5 and 5 10 place. And 7 and 5 1 place. 1 place. Got my point? So answer is now checking the answer. 7 minus 5. So how many students? Do with your finger. 7 minus 5. We can take out from 7 to 5. Yes, we can take out 7 to 5. So 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. So how many all students? 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Got my point all students? Then 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. So how many students? 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Understood? Then further 8 minus 5. We can take out from 8 to 5. We can easily take out from 8 to 5. So 8 minus 5. Do with your fingers all students. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, then further 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 we can take out from 6 to 1. So 6 minus 1, so how many? 5. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So answer is what come all students? 5302. What? 5302 is our answer. So again I am repeating you, play one by one all places. This 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. So here 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Got my point all students? So answer is what come? 5302. What all students? 5302. Understood? So now students, let's move on question number D. Okay, only today we are learn the 4 question number A, B, C and D, and tomorrow we are going to learn question number E to F. Understood? So question number D is what all students? Question number D is question number, first of all we check the question. Question number D is 6574. What? 6574 is our question. 6574. 6574 minus 6450. What? 6574 minus 6450 is our question. So now one by one all place. First of all this 1 place, this 10 place and 100 place, then 1000 place. So first of all we place by place we are checking our answer. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. So how many we can take out from 4 to 0? Yes, we can easily take out 4 minus 0. So 4 minus 0. So how many students? 4. Then further 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. So how many all students? 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. We can easily take out from 7 to 5. Understood all students? Then after 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So how many all students? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So 1. Got my point all students? Then further 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. How many? 0. So here 1000 place is 0. 100 place is 1. 10 place is 2 and 1 place is here 4. So answer is what? 124. In 1000 place because of why is here a 0? 6 out of 6 means a 6 minus 6. Understood? That's why answer is 0. Students, so again let's check a question number D. 6574 minus 6450. So 4 minus 0, so 4. Then further 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then further 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And then 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. How many students? 0. So answer is what? Answer is what? 124. Got my point also students? 124 is our answer. So students, in a one's place 4, in 4 and 0 and 4, these all place is which place? 10 place. Here 7, 5 and 2 is a 10 place, and here 5, 4, 1 in a 100 place, and here 6 and 0 is in a 1000 place. Got my point all students? Understood? I hope you understood better. And today's your homework is what? Exercise number 3rd See what exercise number, sorry, third exercise number third equation number 1. Question number 1, subtract in in question number A to D only 2 times in your formula. Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood betterly. Okay, if you have, if students, if you have any doubts, so please you can what help of your teachers. Okay, so if you any doubts, so please on Saturday compulsory you ask to me on a Google Meet. Okay, thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much.